He doesn't want to stay. What was that about?
What?
So what was that about?
I thought it would bounce.
Well, maybe it doesn't want to bounce.
Stupid.
And she falls. Say hi. She doesn't match very well, does she?
You know what? I did have a white shirt under this, but you know what? It got cold. So
I'm talking about your socks.
You know what my sock says? F you. It wants to kiss my booty, but it don't got a booty. You're still faking it. Sorry, I had to have that in every one of my videos. Oh, what should I do next?
Roll.
Hmm?
Roll.
That is fun. That's fun.
And this is how she rolls.
No, this is how I pick my wig. This is how I That was fun. I need a little bit. Let's do it again. Hey, you should do it.
I'd rather not hurt myself.